Today I'm going to show you all the tea houses we stayed at on the Gosaikunda trek. Okay, here is our tea house in Thulo, Shyabru. So it's 2 single beds. It did come with blankets and a nice desk there. We have lights, we have electricity. There is Wi-Fi. You do have to pay for it. It is $350, but Incel works here. Now check this out. This is like an actual hotel room, attached bathroom, Western toilet, a hot shower that lasted the entire duration of my shower. I didn't have to like rush or anything. Sink, mirror, like this was so bougie for us. And then you have this view outside the bed. You can't really see it now, but there's a bomb-ass mountain range there that you can see if the clouds are not there. This is our tea house in the village of Dursagang. So we have 2 single beds with blankets, a table, outlets, Wi-Fi. The router's actually in our room, so it was strong. Anthony was actually doing work all night on his phone from it. Another outlet up here. You got, oh wow, I didn't even see hooks on your side too. Whoa, hooks on his side, hooks on my side. It's called Lovely Morning View. The room is free because we agreed to eat breakfast and dinner here. Down this hallway, oh, hold on, I gotta turn the light on, is the squatty potty bathroom. And then I forgot to show you. Can you see the view down here? You can't really see through the window. Let me go out to the balcony and show you why it's called Lovely Morning View. Oops. Oh, look at that. Mountains there. Mountains all over. This is incredible. Whoa. Big courtyard. That's the amazing owner. His wife makes some delicious, delicious food. Best dal bhat we have had in, what's this, my 5th? Is this my 5th check? My 6th check? Hands down, best dal bhat I have ever eaten. This is our tea house in Phoprang, Danda. There are 2 single beds. It looks a little alien-y because there is a blue covering on the window, but it came with pillows and blankets. Yeah, some shelves in here. There are no outlets. This is the only guest house here. There's only 2 rooms, so we snagged one of them. We do have a light. And then out here is the bathroom. It is a squatty potty. And then check out these views. Oh, this place is called Hotel Sunset View. Now, it says sunset, but sunrise, this is beautiful. Look at this. You got that. And all these ranges over here. Incredible. Whoa. Oh, the room was free. And again, we ate dinner and breakfast here. This is our tea house in Gompa. It's one of the newer ones. It's called Buddah Guesthouse. Here is our room. So we have 1 double bed, a single bed, we do have an outlet again. So we'll get all charged up today. We have a table. There is also Wi-Fi here, which is good because we don't have service for either in-cell or NTC. Here is the bathroom. You got a Western toilet. Again, this room is free. Oh, I'll show you the view outside. Hold on. Un momento. Namaste. Look at this. It's kind of windy, but look at this. Incredible. And this right here is the back of the dining room. Here's our tea house in Cholangpati. Again, 2 single beds. No outlets in the room. There is an outlet. Can you see? Not really. There's an outlet in the kitchen that we can use. We do have solar light above. We just took hot bucket showers. And then let me show you the courtyard. First stop, here's the toilet. Squatty potty. And over here is where we took our bucket shower. Here's the courtyard. It's called Hotel Langtang Lirung. And then, here's the view. Look at that. Oh, as usual, our room is free. This is our tea house in Lauribena. Again, 2 twin beds with blankets and pillows. No outlets in the room, but there is, you can charge in the kitchen. We do have light. This is the shared bathroom. You got 2 squatty potties, again, which is pretty consistent. The room is free. And then the dining room, which has wood-burning stove or wood-burning fireplace. And you can't really see it now, but there's lots and lots of mountains to look at behind those clouds. This is our tea house in Gosaikunda. Again, 2 twin beds with blankets and pillows. There is, there are 2 hooks there. We do, where it is, there you go, have a light overhead. There are no outlets here, but there you go. You can see Gosaikunda Lake from here. And I forget the name of this lake, but you can see that from over here. This is our hotel in Dhunche, which means today was our final day of the Gosaikunda trek. So we have 2 twin beds with blankets and pillows. We have a, I guess a coat rack here, TV, desk, outlets. I mean, this is like luxury compared to what we've had for the last X amount of days. Here is our bathroom. Hot shower. It was not burn my skin hot, but it was definitely hot enough because I haven't showered in 4 days. And then, so we have a corner room. Oh, we are paying 1,000 rupees a night, which is like $7 or so. So you have the dudes right down there playing some soccer. Little boys over there playing some soccer. And then check out our view. As always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on the notifications so you're the first to know of any new video I release. Leave me a comment. Have you stayed in tea houses before, or will this be your first time? In the next video, we'll be right here in 3, 2, 1.